Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I will be unboxing this raised bed from Vegega. They reached out to me to offer a collaboration video, and I said, why not? This is a gardening channel. This is a juicing channel. This is a channel about growing your own food and being self-sustainable. So why wouldn't I take this opportunity to collaborate with them with this raised bed? So this is the Vegega Dream Garden Creator. This is a metal raised bed, and I will be unboxing it today. So this is a 17-inch rectangle, and I selected, of course, the gray version of this because gray is my favorite color, so we gotta coordinate that. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, so I will be putting this together. I will be unboxing it so you guys can see what it looks like all the way in the middle, and we'll go through the process together. All right, once again, this is the Vegega raised bed, and I will have a link down in the description. I will have a link down in the description below, and also tagged in the messages so that you guys could get this at a discounted price using the code that has been given to me for you guys. All right, guys, if you don't know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Let's get into it. I want the sides. It comes with a complete guide to start your gardening. All right, with the instructions. Screws, protective barrier. All right, guys, so it comes with its own tool. We're gonna take one screw, one washer, and one bolt. And I'm gonna put the first one together so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. And then I'll come back. When the product is completely put together. It shouldn't take that long. All right, so I do have my screwdriver, so I'm going to put my screwdriver here and tighten up with this. So we're just going to repeat that step all the way down the sides. Well, let's see if you can see that. Okay. So we're just going to repeat this step going down the sides. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. Alright guys, I'm going to take all these old tree trimmings and line the bottom. That's another method to fill in the raised bed without using a whole bunch of soil. There's a term for it, hugelkultur. Everything is going to break down inside the bed as the soil is on top, making better soil, recycling and composting itself. So started out with the box that it came in. It's biodegradable. I took as much of the tape off as I possibly could, but still good. I'm okay with that. So this is what the bed looks like after. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, these are green onions. And I'm just gonna plant those all along the sides, right there. So green onions. All right, so today is December 23rd, and we're due for a very big storm in the next couple of days. So this will get nice and wet, so I'm not gonna water this in. Thank you guys for watching the video. And you know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. The Cali Bro J, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.